Hello teacher, my name is Yerlia Jana Cortez Cardenas and this is the video about my last class and my practice number 1 with my partner Daniela Lombana. The idea that I am going to describe you stage by stage what we did in our classes. Okay, the first part of my lesson was the warming up activity. In this part, we did a game called tic-tac-toe or tricky. And the idea was to review the main vocabulary we saw during our classes. And well, you will see.
Okay, the idea that we are going to review a couple of topics that we saw the last classes because today is our last class. So we are going to do the final exam, right? And we prepared a final exam with express questions, you know, A, B, and C. You have to choose the correct answer, and you have to read and to listen and watch a video to answer some questions, right? So we're going to do this kind of review. It's a game called tic-tac-toe or tricky. Acá lo conocemos como tricky. And the idea that we are going to review some of the main topics we saw. ¿Cuáles se acuerdan? Temas principales que se acuerden ustedes que hayan visto. ¿Guys? Ok. Bien. Díganme algunos que se acuerden. Ruler. What else? Eraser. Pencil. What else? Bob. It's calculator. Si me equivoco me avisan, si estoy escribiendo algo mal, pues también ponen las clips. Clips. Scissors. Blackboard. Calculator, yeah. Blackboard. Pencil case. Okay, we finished. Listo. Necesito. Perdón. 6, 8. Listo. Entonces vamos a hacerlo de la siguiente manera. La idea es que sea una competencia. ¿Listo? Entonces voy a escoger esta fila y ustedes van a pasar a hacer la competencia 4 y 4 y luego pasamos con las otras filas. ¿Listo? Entonces vengan. Venga la fila de allá, la primera fila. Todo. Okay, they're going to divide them 4. Each group is going to be 4 members. ¿Listo? Entonces acá, y tú eres de ese grupo, entonces hace más para allá. Con cuidado que me caen ahí. Acá. Pero así. ¿Ese? Entonces, tú eres de acá, ¿listo? Ustedes son número 1, número 2, número 3, 4. ¿Listo? I'm going to describe one word describe. Voy a decir alguna descripción y ustedes van a levantar la mano. El primero de cada grupo que levante la mano tiene la palabra. ¿Listo? Pero si digamos ganas tú vas a escoger en dónde hacer de X o de O. ¿Listo? De alguna palabra. Entonces, por ejemplo, yo digo, no sé, sirve para hacer líneas. Ustedes dicen, levanta la mano. Y yo le digo, ¿quién levanta la mano primero? Y ahí. ¿Listo? 1, 2, 3. Funciona para borrar. Eraser. Listo. Entonces, ustedes son las O y ustedes son las O. Sí, por. Listo. Vamos a la difícil. Ustedes son la O. ¿Listo? Ya, pasa para atrás. Listo. A ver. ¿Te sirve para dibujar? Tienen que levantar la mano porque no. Listo. ¿Sabes qué? La mano es porque si no. Listo. sirve para hacer cálculos.
Calculador.
Ella levanta la mano primero. Bórrala. Ok. Listos. Ok. ¿Qué tiene para sostener hojas?
Aquí.
Okay, then we move to the presentation stage. Here, my partner Daniela Lombana present a slides and did all the explanation about the main topic that was adverb frequency. Then she put a kind of test in which she and the students have to choose the correct their frequency for each sentence. She did with the students doing a guide. And then we did a roulette game in which Daniela incorporated a number for each students. It was more or less 35 students, and then she clicked on the roulette and the number that appeared, the student that appeared on the roulette had to come to the black board and to write a sentence which the adverb frequency Daniela said, and that was.
Muy bien, perfecto. Muy bien, muy bien. Me agrada que ya tengan concepto. Okay, do you use the adverb of frequency? Seldom. Seldom, rara vez. Sí, mira, seldom, rara vez. Seldom, una oración. Con el adverbio seldom. Significa rara vez.
In the practice stage, we did a sentences game in which the students have to make group of five, and in to each group we gave them five paper sheet, one paper sheet for each student. Each student have to write sentences using the adverb of frequency, and they have to make a big letter because then they cut that sentences, and in the back they wrote a sign. Um, After they cut all the sentences, they gave that sentences to another group, and the idea that was that the other group have 5 minutes to organize the words to make or to complete the sentence in a right way. And that was it. We did it five times as the sentences arrived to the original group, and that was the practice stage.
Ahora ustedes le están haciendo las señas ahí. Listo. Y tiene que ser la misma seña para cada palabra de la frase. Porque tú le vas a dar esa frase, usted la va a hacer cuando frase a otro. ¿Cómo hacen esto para que esta ¿me entiendes? Para que sí, pero
In the final stage, that was the production, we designed a final exam because that was our last class. The idea was to evaluate what the student learned through our course. And well, I used vocabulary that they saw during our course. That was school supplies, animals, adjective, adverb frequency, possessive, and others. I designed it as the 8 weeks exam. They have to choose a correct answer, A, B, or C. And they also had advices questions in which they have to read the a sentence and to identifying which place they will find that kind of advice. And the other kind of question was the to match the one word to the description, and then also incorporate a reading exercise and a listening exercise. We start with the listening, and then we gave them 30 minutes to end the exam. Then they have to do the co-evaluation.
our last class. So we are going to do the final exam, right? And we prepare a final exam with express questions, you know, A, B, and C. You have to choose the correct answer, and you have to read and to listen and watch a video to answer some questions, right? So, okay, 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. Estamos review feedback. 2 minutes. Está muy fácil. 2 minutes. Un minuto. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. The last minute.
And that was all the class. Hope you like a teacher. Bye bye.